Hi guys, as a racing driver and track day enthusiast, one of the biggest things is trying to get as much as we can out of ourselves and the car. The best way of doing that is tracking our data. So I've teamed up with VBOX to see how I can get the best out of my Hyundai. Time to set everything up. GPS on, power in, and it's time to go set some laps around Cadwell to get some data. After doing a few laps of Cadwell, we finally had some data from the VBOX we could plug into Circuit Tools. All you need to do is download the free application called Circuit Tools and load it up ready. You can then find your VBOX files either directly from the SD card or if you already have them saved on your computer. Open the first file that you want to look at and your screen should look a little something like this, and it will automatically select your fastest lap of the session. So let's look at the data in the top left hand corner first. These show all of your lap times from that session and also splits down into sectors. It also shows your delta for each lap and sector. Purple meaning that it was your fastest sector of the whole session. And these purple sectors are combined to give you your ideal lap time, which you can compare against the best time of the session. But you may be wondering, what do these squiggly lines mean? So let's take a look. This gives you a more in-depth look at the lap of your choice. The green represents your speed, so you can look into the performance at each stage of the track, thanks to this little map. You can also compare laps from the same or different sessions, with red representing the slower out of the two. This is super useful because you can physically see where you can gain time. You also have a delta lap to see where you gained and lost throughout the lap. And what was I doing here? But it also shows you your speed difference too. You can get extra data like your braking pressure, gears, or even video. The best thing with VBOX is you can get data from coaches, other teammates, compare and see where you can make up more time. It also gives you an indication of how the car's running, if a setup's changed anything, and all these different things that can help progress you as a driver or even help you develop in your championship. So whether you're a track day enthusiast or racing towards that goal, VBOX can really help you get there. And there are plenty of different options to choose from, just like this performance box touch we used at Castle Combe. Whether you want to know top speed, acceleration, or lap times just like me, head over to their website to explore which product will suit you best. They have the ones like we use today, or if you want a bigger or no screen at all, you can just get the data you really need to progress and improve your driving, and even the car. And I just want to say a huge thank you to VBOX for lending me one of their softwares so that I can get as much as I can out of my progression driving. It's been a huge help so far in the season, learning where I can improve and also having that data to compare on later on. So make sure you check those guys out. I'll put all the links down below as per usual. But for now, you guys know the drill. To make my journey your journey, like, follow, subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye!